In this video, I'll show you how to install WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 11 and use it to run Linux tools directly on your system. WSL gives you a full Linux environment without needing a virtual machine. It's fast and great for development. It's also great for scripting and automation. Let's get started. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the WSL install command. This command will install WSL and Ubuntu, and at the end of the installation you'll be prompted to create a Linux username and password. Once you're done, you'll be inside your Linux environment. You can close Command Prompt, search for and open WSL, and run your first command, which is a command to update your system. Enter your password. Now let's test it out by installing an application. I'm going to install Lynx, a text-based browser. And that's it.